What's up traders, it's Nate. I'm a professional full-time day trader since 2016. I trade live the emini S&P 500 only on a naked 2000 tick chart. I use no indicators but the 21 EMA. I trade purely price action, trend channels, the two-legged pullbacks, second entries and traps. If you are new to price action, feel free to check my other videos all free on my channel. I trade my live account, live money and not any demo BS. I show only my live trades, winners and losers each and every day. And a quick notice guys, English is not my first language. I'm a trader, not an English teacher. So without further ado, let's jump in and see what we had today. Okay, so that's how I saw it today. Right from the get-go, uptrend, break, and we are immediately into a trading range. And in this trading range, we have a clear two-measure move. You see, one leg, two legs, first entry, second entry. I took it for 6 points. It's a classic pattern when you have an uptrend, then prices starts to oscillate. Clear two legs. Let me show you even better. See, one leg, two leg. If you measure them, these are exact two legs to the tick. First entry, second entry, you are fading the range. The bottom of the trading range, beautiful signal bar. I went long here for 6 points. I had only 2 trades today. This is just a noise. Just ignore it, it's nothing. Try not to do anything when you see such a noise because you will be chopped to pieces here. Then we had downtrend, couple of legs to new low. It's safe to take long here. Once the price just penetrates the moving average and stays there, it's a clear sign of reversal, and there is no reason not to, because we had a downtrend, 2 legs to new low, and now we are trending up. And again, uptrend, break into a range. I saw it like this when I had it real time. Uptrend, break. I'm looking to fade this range. Sorry guys. And then we have exact measure move here. Check this out. 1, 2. Measure move. The signal bar was horrible, but it's a first entry, second entry, so I took this trade with a limit order based on this engulfing bar. In many cases, when you have first entry, second entry, but the signal bar is not good enough, just wait for the next bar. Usually it will be an engulfing one with a huge buying potential. You just drop a limit order here. I took this trade for about 6 points. Remember, uptrend, break, we are expecting a new extreme. In many cases, prices will not go directly to make a new extreme. They will oscillate in a trading range and then they will break up. So this was my second trade. And it's a clear first entry, second entry, engulfing, limit order, 6 or 5 points. I did not trade beyond that, and yeah, we were still trending up. That was the trade today.
Order filled.